Hi, this is a series of videos to review some common questions and answers for working with automatic pricing in 2D in the integrated environment. So I've got DESTINI Estimator up on the screen, and just to kind of get a level set here, we've got the cost database view, the filter view, the estimate view, and of course there's all the other main views inside of this body, which would be the project view all the way to the takeoff. At the bottom, we have the cost information view or the sieve. And then, of course, we have three toggles like WBS properties, which I'll point to in just a little bit, QTO properties, and then assembly items, but I won't go into assembly detail. The other thing that's important to be aware of is the switch for automatic pricing on and off. So in some of my initial ones, we'll work with automatic pricing, and if a later series, I can also show you some examples of when to turn off automatic pricing. Since it is a little bit difficult to demonstrate everything on a single screen, I do want to take the opportunity to share with everyone that you can always tear off a view. So I'm going to go ahead and tear off this view, and I'm going to park the takeoff view here to the right-hand side. Alternatively, like I can come back over here and put that view back into the center of the screen. I could right click and say I want to float the view. Once the view is floating, I can take the title bar and again dock it over here on the right hand side. This makes it a little bit easier on a single monitor, but I would suggest that definitely when you are in your workspace where you have, say, one monitor where you could have like the estimate view and maybe the filters and cost information and the cost database, you can have the takeoff all on one screen. It makes it a whole lot easier to see everything that's going on. One other thing that I would also suggest is like the cost database and the filter view look very, very similar in almost all respects. And I like to actually take the filter view and dock it with inside of the cost database view as a tab, because typically I'm either going to go to the cost database and grab something and pull it out and do some takeoff on, or I'm filtering and looking at items in the takeoff or in the estimate view itself.